What's up YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video I want to talk about silver stacking and stacking it 1 ounce at a time. So let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this video is sort of for the new stackers or the stackers out there who aren't able to pick up full tubes at a time. So when you're picking up stuff like American Silver Eagles or generic silver rounds, you can get tubes. Now the tubes are 20, or if you're picking up the Canadian Silver Maple Leafs, those are tubes of 25. And a lot of stackers like to buy a full tube at a time. This does offer a couple good things. One thing is that you'll usually get all the same date, so that's very nice. But another thing is that when you buy a full tube, like this one I recently picked up, you actually get the tube, and it's a great way to store it. But rather than buying a full tube of American Silver Eagles all at once, another way you could do it would be to stack it 1 ounce at a time. So I do want to give a little encouragement to those people who can only do 1 ounce at a time. When I first started silver stacking, I did not have a lot of money at my disposal. In fact, all of the money that I got for stacking silver was literally by returning pop cans for the 10-cent redemption per can here in the great state of Oregon. I would take that money, go down to my local coin shop, and yes, I would buy just 1 ounce of silver. If you go back to my very first YouTube video, now I don't encourage you to do that because it's not very good. It's actually kind of comical, but it's still up on YouTube, my very first video I ever made. You will see this silver round. It's the Honest Value Never Fails USS Constitution 1974 round. These are absolutely gorgeous, and this was one of the first 20 silver rounds that I ever bought. One of my first 20 ounces of silver. I'm gonna keep this forever as a reminder of when I was literally stacking it 1 ounce at a time. Now there's nothing wrong with stacking it 1 ounce at a time. When you're buying 1 ounce of silver, what are you doing? Well, you're converting your fiat currency and converting it into real money. But more than this, you're also understanding that silver and gold will retain your wealth and your fiat currency will not. With inflation, if you were to hold dollars in your hand, whether they be $1 bills, $20 bills, $100 bills, it doesn't matter. Over a period of time, those are gonna lose their buying power. But if you take that fiat currency and you put it into silver or gold, you'll be able to retain that buying power over a long period of time. Now, with silver, it's relatively easy to pick up 1 ounce. You could take 20 bucks and be able to get a generic silver round. These American Silver Eagles do have a little bit higher of a premium, so depending on the spot price when you buy, you may or may not be able to buy one of these. And I do expect the price to go up in the future as well, so I'm filming this video in 2020, but in perhaps 2030, the price might be much higher. But regardless, this is real money. Now, I did obtain another American Silver Eagle recently, this one right here. It was actually given to me as a gift, and I'm gonna put it in a new tube here, and I'll start another tube. So let's see, I've got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 tubes. This will be the start of my 17th tube. I do have some more Eagles over here, which I'm just gonna leave those in the capsules for now, but I'll take this one out of the flip and we will add it to a tube. So if you're only able to obtain 1 ounce of silver at a time, that's okay. You understand what silver is. You understand how much better it is to have money in silver rather than those fiat currency notes. So you're doing it right. So to all those people out there that could only buy 1 ounce of silver at a time, that used to be me. Thankfully, my situation has improved money-wise. I've got more money coming in, and now I can pick up more silver at once. So I'm going to be trying to finish this monster box. I'm going to definitely finish it this year in 2020. I know I can do it. I just got to focus and snag some more tubes, but we will add this one to a tube here for the time being. So there we go. All right, next tube has been started. So anyway, if there's anyone out there that feels discouraged because they feel like they're not stacking fast enough, stack at your own pace. That's the best way to do it. And I hope this video could be a little bit of encouragement. I do want to say a massive thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.